Hi guys, this is a quick guide on how to upload your website ready for your submission on the 20th at the end of this week. Okay, so if you go to assessment information here, you'll see there's a please read submission checklist. Make sure you load that up, okay, and you go through each and every one of these. So, have you included your final ERM design as part of your submission? Okay, so you did that early on in the semester. What you need to do is, if your current ERM doesn't match up, redo it, just modify it. Your database should be named as your student ID, i.e. S171233455. Okay, so if your database isn't named like that, I'm going to do a quick guide on how to rename it. So if you load up PHPMyAdmin and select your database, so mine's S131888948. And go to operations. You need to rename it here. So 131888948. 131888948. Okay. Oh no, sorry. Wrong one. There we go. Rename database 2. What you'll need to make sure you do is modify your config file so that the database name matches up. If it doesn't, if it's your old database name, then it's not going to work and you're not going to get the marks for a working website. Okay, let's go back. You've exported your database as an SQL. It is your responsibility to check the SQL file is correct. So this is the bit I'm now going to show you. So you need to make sure you click on the home icon here. Okay, not being in here, because you can export it, but it won't work for us. So if you go to your home icon here, you click export, and then you do custom, you select your database here, don't change any of this stuff, and click go. It will save as, if you're as localhost, it will, well, whatever, it will save as 127.0.0.1. The way to tell if you've done it wrong is if you're in your database and you go to export it, so custom shows you your tables instead of all your databases. Click go. You'll see it shows you your database name. This will not work properly for us, because then we will have to then fix your website, which you will lose marks for. So ensure you've clicked that first, you're in your home page, and then you go to export. You can check it works. So let me just show you this. So if I quickly export this, go save that, and if I delete this, and go to import, you'll see, I select 131, that one, that just exported, you'll see it doesn't work because the database has not been created. But if I go to import the other one, it just works. So make sure you do that. That's really important. Okay, back to the checklist. Have you included an index.php as your home page? So your home page should be called index.php. Your folder structure is appropriate for your application. All images in the images folder, all scripts in the script folder. Yep. Basically, follow all of this stuff. Make sure you've done every single one of these things. I would highly recommend testing it on a different computer, on a different XAMPP install. If you don't do this and we can't run your website, you won't get the marks. It's really important. So make sure you've gone through this checklist, checked that everything is correct, that you've followed every single one of these. You zip your folder up, so let me just show you, because I know someone asked me how to zip a folder the other day. So you go to your website, go to, say this, and do send to compressed file to zip. Okay, I would then rename this your student ID and upload this file. Do not zip your exam folder and upload your whole exam folder. That is not the right thing to do. Again, you'll lose marks. Go into your exam folder, go to your htdocs, find your site, so this one, for example, this website, right click, send to, compress file zipped, boom, There we go. That's what you upload. Any questions, give us a shout. Thank you guys. Good luck.